opposition politician and former finance minister Tendai Biti has been granted bail alongside fellow detainee Mongi in a developing case that has drawn national and international attention. Sabina Mashkobdani Kwachisi Tendai Biti released on strict bail condition. Notable subscriber like on the bail icon. Zimaini Ramberi Chiti, Mtare Magistrate Musiwa on Monday ordered that the two be released on bail of $500 each, subject to stringent conditions. They are required to surrender their passports, barred from applying for or renewing travel documents, and prohibited from addressing or gathering the public without prior police clearance. The defense challenged some of the restrictions, arguing they were excessive, but the state carefully pushed for their retention. The bail ruling comes amid heightened public scrutiny following the circulation of images showing BT in a Mtare police cell, which quickly went viral and ignited debate over political freedoms in Zimbabwe. BT was arrested on Saturday in Mtare under circumstances observers have described as politically sensitive. He was reportedly picked up while organizing a public meeting aimed at mobilizing opposition to proposed constitutional amendments that could extend President Emmerson Mnangagwa's term of office. Authorities are yet to issue a detailed official statement outlining the exact charges, though civil society groups say the arrest is linked to the activism against proposed amendments. The Constitution Defenders Forum says BT was detained together with activists and journalists during the planned engagement in the eastern border city. A prominent lawyer and long-time opposition figure, BT served as finance minister during the governance of national unity from 2009 to 2013 and remains a central voice in Zimbabwe's political discourse. Opposition groups and civic organizations have reported increased incidents of intimidation and violence targeting those campaigning against the reforms, raising fresh concerns about the state of political freedoms, the right to assemble in Zimbabwe. Do mamiru azvakaita panguva ino iri an update yaTendai Biti, and now one of the people anokwa kunzi he was attacked for opposing my amendments. Paya comment section menu zvafungura aim to leave on 0 page to page. So subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.